Hello everyone, I'm Khadija Rahman Tanji, Assistant Professor, Department of Business Administration, Faculty of Business and Entrepreneurship, Daffodil International University. Welcome to the class of International Business Summer 2020. What is international business? In short, international business refers to the trade of goods, services, technology, capital, and/or knowledge across national borders and at a global or transnational scale. It also involves cross-border transactions of goods and services between two or more countries. Let's find out the learning outcomes of this course. After completion of this course, you will be able to understand globalization and international business and how they affect each other. You will be able to recognize the main drivers, culture and market analysis of globalization. And at last, you will be able to know about different economic, political, and legal system in which a company can accomplish its global objectives. Let's know about other information about this course. Time frames of this course. The time frame of this course will be 16 weeks. That means you will be able to complete all your activities, exams within 16 weeks. This course will follow blended learning method. That means online and on campus in both ways we can carry out this course. I've designed the course contents into four segments: chapter objectives, topics to be covered, teaching tools and materials, and assessment techniques. At first, chapter objectives. At the beginning of each chapter, you will get to know the objectives or purpose of learning for your better understanding. Topics to be covered. At the beginning of the chapter or lesson, topics or contents will be given so that you will be able to understand what contents you are going to learn in each chapter. Here is the teaching tools and materials that I'm going to follow in this course. So as a teaching material, I will provide you chapter-wise PowerPoint slides. And then I will also provide you some books on PDF format or links of ebooks. I will try to give you short videos on important topics from some chapters. Then there will be YouTube links related to the topic. There will also be some online materials like news, articles, and case studies. And then there will be separately case studies on the each chapter. So after completion of the each chapter, you will get a case study for your practical learning. And also, I will try to give you the class recordings of live class. And here are some techniques or tools that I'm going to follow to conduct my classes. At first, I'm going to follow Google Meet. So I'm going to follow Google Meet, or I'm going to use Google Meet to conduct live classes. And then there is another option called Big Blue Button. So sometimes I will try to conduct my classes on these Big Blue Button techniques. Then there will be H5 interactive content which will be used to engage students. And plus there will be Mentimeter for ice-breaking session. Assessment technique. So for assessment, I will try to follow the techniques that I've mentioned here. At first, instructions of DIU. I will always follow instructions of DIU, the assessment technique. Then there will be a class status survey. So in this survey, you will have to fill up a form so that I will get some information about the class, and according to that information, I will prepare my class lectures and materials. After that, there will be a feedback quiz. So after each chapter, there will be a feedback quiz so that I can get to know whether you have learned properly or not. So these quiz also will be considered as a bonus point. There will be 3 quizzes and each quiz contains 15 marks. Then there will be assignments and you have to, submit 2 or more assignments which contains 5 marks. Then there will be a presentation. In presentation segment, you have to provide video presentation which contains 8 marks. And there will be a midterm examination as we are going to conduct this course through online. So midterm exam will be conducted in different segments compared to our traditional one. So I will declare you later how we will conduct the midterm exam. And the midterm exam contains 25 marks. And at last but not least, final exam, which contains 40 marks. Just like midterm, I will declare the letter how we will conduct final examination. So for more information, visit Moodle section-wise course. Thank you, happy learning, and have a good time. Goodbye.